If you need to update your vehicle in the SparkDriver app, the option is there, it's just a little hidden. Start by opening the app and tapping your profile icon or menu in the top corner to access your account section. From there, go into Account, Driver Profile, or a similar settings area where your personal and delivery information is stored. Inside that section, look for Vehicle, Vehicle Info, or Delivery Vehicle. This is where your current car details are listed. Tap into it and choose Edit Vehicle if you're updating information, or Add Vehicle if you're switching to a different car entirely. Enter the correct make, model, year, color, and license plate number. In some areas, you may also need to upload updated insurance, registration, or a vehicle photo for verification. After entering everything, tap Save or Submit. Some changes go live immediately, while others may require approval from Spark's verification team. Once approved, your new vehicle will be listed and ready for deliveries.